Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to see Street View in Google Maps and Android. So first things first, you just have to open your Google Map. This is what it looks like. And what you're going to do here is you have to search for the place or address you want. Now tap this icon right here and you will see the Street View. Now what you're going to do is at the bottom left corner, look for the Street View thumbnail. It could be a small, large with a road, and then you just have to click this one. After that, you can now swipe and drag to look around and tap on the road to move. So let's just say if I want to look at this street right here for the specific place, I can tap this one and then I can click this picture right here. I can drag it anywhere to enable street view. Let me find another place or street right here. So I'm going to click again and then tap again the thumbnail or street view thumbnail, and this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to drag and just move around in order for you to see the street. So basically that's it. You just have to tap the layers icon and then tap the street view thumbnail. Tap on any blue line to enter street view, and that's it. Street view isn't always available everywhere. If you don't see the option, that area might not have a street view coverage yet. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.